This is going to be a short video about me actually taking the ski out today, even though it was 30-mile-an-hour winds. I wasn't planning on catching any fish. I just wanted to test this XI3 trolling motor install, and it actually is easy to deploy, easy to steer. Anchor mode is awesome. I didn't try trolling mode because I wasn't fishing, but I know it will work great. This trolling motor is going to be a game changer on this Seadoo. I'm going to be able to spot lock anchor. I'm going to be able to troll with planer boards. It's really going to be awesome. It's just the wind and the weather. I can't get out there right now, so I wanted to give y'all a little video about where we're at and what's going on, and it won't be long. As you can see, this thing it moved me into the wind at 4.5 miles an hour into the wind. It's gonna be great. Y'all stay tuned, stick with me. We're gonna put some fish on this Seadoo. I'm not putting another video out until I'm putting some fish on here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.